Hi everyone, and welcome back to Sparkle with Rish. Today's video is very close to my heart. Have you ever felt scared to speak English? Like, you know the words in your head, but your voice freezes when it's time to speak? Trust me, I've been there too. But I found a way out and I'm here to share it with you. Let's start with a simple truth. We're not scared of English. We're scared of making mistakes. We're scared someone might laugh or correct us or think less of us. I remember one moment very clearly. I was in college. I had to say just one line in English during a presentation. My hands were shaking, my throat felt dry, and I ended up mumbling something I can't even remember. It wasn't because I didn't know English, it was because I didn't trust myself. And that's exactly where most learners get stuck. So, how do we fix this? Shift 1. Focus on communication, not perfection. You don't need perfect grammar to speak English. You need to express clearly. That's it. Even native speakers make mistakes. So please don't hold yourself back. Shift 2. Speak out loud every single day. You won't get better at speaking by thinking. You get better by speaking. Start with 5 minutes a day. Describe your room, read your journal, say your to-do list out loud. Your brain gets used to your own voice, and slowly the fear goes away. Shift 3. Learn with emotion. Don't just learn the word happy. Say what makes you happy. Example, I feel happy when I listen to music. Attach your life to the language. That's when it becomes yours. Let me share one method that helped me a lot. It's called the mirror method. Simple but powerful. Stand in front of a mirror. Speak 3 lines about your day. Smile at yourself. Repeat them until you feel natural. You don't need a teacher. You don't need an app. You just need you. Every time you speak, you polish your sparkle. Here are 3 simple shifts that change the way I speak and the way I feel when I speak. You don't need to wait to feel confident. Start speaking and the confidence will follow. I didn't become confident overnight. I practiced, I stumbled, I felt silly. But I kept going, and today I'm here speaking with you. You're not behind, you're becoming. So speak Upeven if your voice shakes, because your voice matters. If this video helped you in any way, please give it a like and share it with someone who needs that little push. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on English, growth, and sparkle. Comment below what's one sentence you will speak out loud today with confidence. Until next time, keep learning, keep glowing, and always remember your sparkle matters.